Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're taking a look at something a little bit different. So I've been sort of moving more into general mobility, not just cars but also other interesting ways to get around, and this is something that I quite like the look of. Now this is the iScooter e-bike E1 or EB1-S, and it's a compact e-bike from iScooter, and as you can see, it's quite a nice, tidy little package. Nice and compact, which is what I like, because, you know, a lot of people who have these sorts of things need to be able to move them around, or if you're like me, you know, it's handy just to be able to chuck them in a car and go somewhere. But also, they do stand up pretty well to modern life. We live quite rurally. It's handy for popping to the shops, that sort of thing. So it's just sort of a little jack of all trades. This thing now, it is also not very intimidating to use. Mrs. DL loves it. You know, there's lots of people who actually said, well, you know what, rather than a big bike, something like this I might be a little bit more confident with. So yeah, as a result, we've got one, and we're just going to sort of show you guys everything you need to know about it. So the e-bike space is pretty busy right now. There's all sorts of new companies, all sorts of new technology being released every single day, every week it seems, and iScooter have come out with this nice little compact hub motor bike. Now, by hub motor I mean it's got a motor in the rear wheel, which is quite a nice little setup. So instead of having a centrally mounted motor in the sort of the main sprocket there, it's quite traditional in its setup. You've got your standard main sprocket there, and then we've got our motor, which is fully enclosed in the back here. Now this thing is 250 watts, UK legal. It does have a slightly higher peak just to get you going, but it's the constant velocity that's dictated has to be 250 watts. Now this will do up to 22 miles an hour, so it's quite a lot of power and capability within such a small little motor. Obviously we've got disc brakes here, cable brakes as well, which are quite nice because a lot of them are hydraulic brakes, but actually cable brakes are much easier to service. You can just adjust them nice and easily as well, and I find they give you just slightly more feel when you're braking, so that's quite nice as well. Being electric, you've got other little features. So we've got the lights are integrated into the frame. We've got a brake light there. When you apply the brakes, you see we're just applying the rear brake there, you get a flashing light on there, and then just by pressing and holding on the control here, we get a headlight, which is a nice bright headlight, and also the rear light here as well, which is good. Now this came at a really interesting time. We've got some side lighting as well here, which is quite cool, because I'm about to go for spinal surgery, and I'm going to be off my feet and find it difficult to walk for a couple of months afterwards, but actually this might be the perfect thing for me. So I'm going to do a couple of future videos sort of explaining that and how I've been using it after my operation when I have it. So yeah, it's kind of serendipitous timing really to get used to something like this. We live about a mile out of town. This thing has up to 30-mile range, which is fantastic really for the size of it. It doesn't take too long to charge either. About 4 or 5 hours I've found it's charged plenty of time. I've never run it down completely flat, but it just does everything so well. So if we hop on over here, we've got a nice little built-in kickstand here as well, and sit on the bike. Now you'll notice it's all fairly familiar standard bicycle stuff, with the addition of this little LCD screen here. This has got your indicated speed. You can cycle through and get information like the odometer and that sort of thing, how many miles. This is your battery level. Your assist level is controlled just by pressing plus or minus. There's 3 levels of assist as well. So yeah, they're essentially broken up into speeds because this is a cadence sensor. As soon as you start pedaling, it gives you power through that hub motor. So you've got lots of flexibility there. These essentially represent speeds. So like I said, it's UK legal, so it will go up to 16 miles an hour, and you can then extend it up to 22 miles an hour if you know what you're doing as well. So which isn't UK legal. So if you're just going to use this for commuting, and 16 miles an hour is what you're going to be good for. And also is UK legal if it only allows you to go up to 4 miles an hour, which this one can be enabled to do that, and comes from standard as that. Then yes, we've got a little boost throttle here just to get you going, which yeah, it does get you going pretty well. So yeah, nice easy controls, and we've got this bell here as well, which is pretty handy. I've actually tightened that up a bit too much, I think. I'll loosen that off so it rings slightly better. But yeah, no, it's a lovely little thing, and it's all nice and tidy. A lot of these e-bikes, there's a lot of wiring that goes into them, and IScooter have done a really good job of making this a nice tidy system. We've got this sort of shrouding here. This is a connection for the display, this is the connection for the throttle. So if you wanted to be doubly sure you were totally legal, you could actually completely remove the throttle and not put it on. It's an optional thing, it comes in a separate bag, so you know, it's nice and handy. In terms of storage, again, it's not a big bike at all. You can tell that by the saddle really, but it's a nice comfy riding position. We've got also rear suspension as well here, which is handy. Just makes our potholey roads a little bit more comfortable. There are optional reflectors and stuff you can add. I quite like it looking quite nice and clean, to be honest. But yeah, just overall, it's a really nice, comfortable package. So we've got built-in charger, it's a non-removable battery, so you just plug the bike in. But because it's so small, it's really easy just to take in and charge. There's your charging port there. And there's also the Voltix app. A lot of you might be familiar, and I think I'll do a separate video on all of the app functionality sometime soon. But yeah, just as a little way to get around, pop to the shops, that sort of thing. Brilliant. And also, you know, if you're not as confident on a bicycle, or perhaps if you're older as well, this thing will do everything you need it to. So another very attractive thing about this bike, and probably its main selling point, is the price, because there are e-bikes like this that are thousands and thousands of pounds. This one, just £499. Now that is fantastic value in e-bike world. It really undercuts a lot of its competition. But to be honest, you don't notice any reduction in quality or anything like that. It sort of just perfectly capable and can hold its own with the big guns as well. It's 36-volt battery as well, and yeah, just a really nice comfortable thing to ride. So like I said, I'll do future videos on more riding stuff. It's just a brief introduction, an overview, and sort of a general view of the EB1-S e-bike. I definitely recommend it. For 500 quid you can't really go wrong. Even though it lasts a couple of years, durability obviously long term will keep it up to date with. But yeah, overall a really nicely put together package for just £499. So if you like the look of the EB1-S, then just take a look in the description. We've got a discount code and a link to buy your own. Like I said, it's just a really nice, easy little thing to use. If you're in sort of camping, that sort of thing as well, really handy for going around campsites. Nice, compact, easy to fit in anywhere you're going. And yeah, just a really nice, handy thing to have. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you again to IScooter for sharing this with us, and yeah, we'll be doing plenty more on it, that's for sure.